Okay, we'll start quickly then. So till here it is done, right?
Till escape characters.
Typecasting some example like this one, okay?
Yeah.
And or whatever. Escape characters is like /n/t
Yeah.
/b,
/t
and
/b.
then inverted comma is there. You want to remove that special meaning, make it
Special
normal slash,
/
and that symbol. Then today we'll do this operator.
Mm.
The operators is nothing, just like some small symbol kind of thing.
Mm.
We need to understand what those symbols are. There are mainly how many symbols? 8 type of operators are there.
Okay.
Arithmetic operators. Arithmetic operators means should look like this: plus, minus, like mathematics only. Multiply, divide, percentage, double, and this slash. We call it floor division.
I'll log in noon shift, Satya, so nobody will be there, no? That's why. Yeah.
These are the arithmetic operators. You can think of it as some mathematics symbols. Okay?
Mm-hmm.
That's it. So all these things I think this double slash is like floor division. It's like division only, but floor division. I will tell you how it will work.
What is that percentage?
Percentage is like a remainder. For example,
Reminder.
5
Okay.
divided by 2. 5 divided
Mm-hmm.
by 2 is 2 into 2.
I got it.
4, then 1. So this
Remainder
is
1.
like,
Mm.
so if you will do 5 divided by 2, how much you will get? 2.5, right?
Mm-hmm.
If you do 5 percentage 2, you will get this 1 remainder.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. 7 divided by 4.
Mm.
Okay, so you will get how much? Like 1 point. What it is? 7 percentage 4. No, let's take it 9 for simplicity.
Mm.
9 divided by 4. So something 2 point something, right?
Mm.
9 percentage 4, how much you will get?
1. Yeah, 1.
Now tell me 11 percentage 4.
3.
Correct. Okay. This is we'll write some program that will give more clarity.
Mm.
So it is adding this one.
Mm. A is equal to 10 plus B. Okay.
So here the operator is plus.
Okay.
And we'll see all the operators. If it is minus, it will work as a minus only, like simple mathematics.
Mm.
Minus 10. After that, if it is multiplication, it will work like multiplication. Star will is like multiplication. Okay. If it is this division, it will work like division only, 0.5.
Mm.
So, like these four are like almost like mathematics only, some 4 5 things.
Mm.
This is percentage.
Mm.
So in this case, it should show I think 0 only.
Yeah.
10. Okay.
Because
A
it will not
is
divide.
smaller, yeah.
Make it.
Okay.
Mm.
1, 5, 1. Tell me how much it will come. Tell me how much it will come.
2.
Okay, you understood this percentage, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, see, this is something called division, right? If you will give 2 times, it will become floor division. Floor division, no, it's like division only, but it will return only integer.
It will return,
Only integer.
not float. Huh?
Yeah, see, 11 by 3. How much it is supposed to come?
Something 3 point something.
Yeah, see, 3.66.
Mhm.
If I am doing floor division, it will return me integer. That's it.
Okay,
Sometimes it will happen, I want only integer in return.
correct.
So we'll do floor division. And if I want power of something,
Mm.
example 2 raised to power 3. So I will give double star. So it will make that power.
Oh, okay. That is called, power operator. Okay.
Yeah. So yeah, operator only will say. And this one now we call it modulo operator. Modulo.
Then modulo.
Yeah, modulo.
That is also percentage, right? Percentage only modulo.
Yeah, yeah. See, percentage is like it has different meaning. No?
I know,
We
I know.
we use it for other purpose in our percentage, like out of 10,
Out of 100.
out of 100. But here we are using that same symbol
Mm.
for other purpose. So actually, we should call it. This is actually modulo.
Uh,
For percentage, we use this modulo symbol.
mm.
So we are thinking it as a percentage. It's actually modulo only. So, 5. It was returning integer, right?
Mm.
But let us say if I'm dividing by float,
Mm.
if one of them is float, then it will return float, the 2.0.
1 second, bro. 2.0. Okay.
See, this is what floor division, right?
Mm.
What I told, it will
It will give
return
integer.
only integer only.
Integer. Mm.
It will return integer if the division is like this.
Mm.
2.5.
Mm.
If we will do this floor division, it will return only 2. But the
Correct.
condition is both should be integer. If any one of them is float, no,
It will give it as float. Huh?
then it will return float only.
Can you do it 5.0 and it is 2? Yeah. Okay.
2.0. But mostly, no,
Mm.
mostly we'll use like when it is integer only, and in return you don't want any such things like otherwise we will return as float kind of thing,
Mm.
and then intentionally you have to do that like this casting you have to do.
Mm.
3.5 is coming now, it will come as 2.
Mm.
So this has reduced this step now, doing
Step.
type
Correct.
casting.
Correct.
This is all arithmetic operator.
Mm.
Yeah, one more point is there in arithmetic operator. See this plus and this one, this plus and this multiplication.
Mm.
Till now we have used for mathematics. Mathematics means for numbers, okay? All these symbols we have used for numbers, right?
Mm.
But this plus and this multiplication, you can use it for string also.
mm,
So what is this addition, right?
mm,
This addition when you are dealing with numbers, 2 plus
uh,
2.
uh,
But if you are dealing with string,
mm.
for example, Lalit, and then Kumar. So now this is not addition, it is concatenation.
Concatenation, yeah.
The two string you can merge.
Merge.
You
Yeah,
can,
what we will do it in Excel,
yeah,
right?
yeah,
Concatenation.
correct. So here, but the condition here, for concatenation,
Mm.
that both, okay, both variable or what I should tell, argument will be the better one.
What?
Argument.
Argument.
Variable is fine, means any holding something, no?
Mm-hmm. Correct. A is equal to.
It will, like I'm pointing towards here. So
Mm.
let's call this directly. Both both arguments should be string only.
Okay.
Okay, you can't do like you can't concatenate Lalit with 10.
Uh,
If you have to do that, then you have to do the typecasting of this one, and you have to
uh,
convert this integer to
mm,
string like this.
string. Okay.
For example,
Good.
plus b. See, it's concatenating, right?
Lalit. Yeah.
So if I'm doing that integer here, then it will give
Mm,
me some error. See, it is telling you also can only concatenate string,
mm.
not integer. Read it like this: can only concatenate string to
String to
string,
string. Mm,
not to integer.
mm,
So let us say this b, no? I will convert this to string only. That typecasting I told you, no? Now A is string, B is
mm,
also string because you have concatenate
but,
did
mm,
typecasting here.
mm, mm,
Now it will work. Really tell.
mm. Lalit 10. Okay.
Got it, no?
Yeah.
So this I will use this typecasting.
Mm,
Same way, like here. Same way this multiplication, this star. This was multiplication
mm,
when you are dealing with number 2 into 2 is 4.
mm,
But for string also you can use this multiplication.
mm.
So that time it won't be a multiplication. It will work as a repeater.
Oh.
Let us say one string is Lalit,
Mm,
and if you will do multiply by 2, so what it will give? It will repeat this string two times.
mm.
Lalit, Lalit.
Oh, okay.
Lalit multiplied by 4. It
Mm,
should be string.
mm.
Then it will write 4 times Lalit, 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 Lalit like that.
Okay.
So I will if 10 times it is writing Lalit.
Oh,
Given is here. See 10 times Lalit coming. You got it? Huh?
yeah.
And you can do reverse also, like b multiplied by a. B multiplied by a means second one is string, first one is number.
Number.
Okay,
Same.
I will simplify this one. Here. String Dalit multiplied by 10. So how it will come? Like this.
Wait, wait. Mm-hmm. Space. Yeah. Okay. Okay.
Space I have given so that it will look properly, no, here.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
It is not required. And then I can do this multiplication from the starting only. 10 multiplied by this string. Even then it will work. Understood? Huh? Hello?
Yeah, yeah, understood.
So, but the you have to make a note here.
Hmm.
Once you are using this multiplication for string for repetition purpose,
Hmm.
then compulsory one argument
Hmm.
should be string
Hmm.
and a second argument should be integer.
Okay.
Okay, see here. One is integer, one is a string. Then only other argument will tell now how many times you have to repeat.
Correct.
Let's say a string and then multiplication, means this is repeater.
Hmm.
So other integer will tell now how many times it has to repeat.
Correct.
So how many times means of course it should be number.
Hmm.
So if we are doing some string, if we are giving this is a string, right? So
Hmm.
this will not work as a repeater. It will give you error.
1 second. Lalit, 3 is equal to 10. Okay.
No, no, forget this one.
Yeah.
Directly, now I'm writing directly here.
Mm-hmm. Then Lalit into Kumar. Mm-hmm.
It is telling can't multiply non-integer. It is telling consider the thing as a multiplier, not as a repeater. It is telling you are trying to multiply two string
Mm.
and multiply string can't multiply sequence of non-integer. Okay. More thing I will tell you. For example, here is 5, other one is 0.
Mm.
Trying to do A divided by B. 5 divided by 0. This will give you 0 division error. So I'm telling you this one so that you just keep in your mind. Remember this one. If you are getting 0 division error,
Mm.
so you have to search in your code. See, this is just 5 lines of code, but your code might be like very big.
Correct.
Okay, 100 line, 150 line.
Mm.
And here you have given 0, and this A, this thing, no,
Mm.
this might be at the 150th line,
Mm.
or
It will not show the line number. Huh?
it will show line number, but your this equation, no, it can be very big.
Correct.
Okay, it is, for example, now directly I am writing this one, but it might be a very big dictionary. Inside the dictionary, one list might be there. In that list, one of the element might be 0.
Okay. Okay.
Understood? It might be
Yeah.
very big actually. So
Fine.
that time you will search in that line number what is the problem. But you will see on that particular line number you have to find a like a division part,
Mm.
and the division part might be 0.
Okay.
When you are seeing this one, immediately it should come in your mind. You are dividing by the 0. This error also I will help you to recall so that you can troubleshoot with your own.
Mm.
Line number it will tell, but you should know the reason also. Okay? Same way for what is this modulus.
Mm.
This will also give same error. Zero division error, integer division or modulo by zero. This will get changed, but this will be same here. Zero
Mm.
division error.
Mm.
And in later on, no, this
Mm.
one. Where is that exception handling? Exception handling I did not mention. Without here. This exceptional handling, no,
Mm.
you will handle this error. You will name this one zero division error, and then you will write the alternate set of code. So what
Mm.
will happen? No, code will not stop here.
Mm.
It will run that alternate part you have given,
Correct.
and then it will execute further. But you have to mention this one.
Mm. Mm.
Okay, so this is all about the arithmetic operator. One is done. Now we have the arithmetic is done. Now we have relational operator.
Mm.
See, relation is nothing. Relational operator. It's like it is telling the relation. For example, greater than or less than, greater than equals to, less than equals to. Okay.
This is all arithmetic operator. What we this saw now.
Uh, yeah, less than, greater than mostly will come in numbers only. No?
Okay, okay.
And
No,
yeah,
you have we have saw no plus minus star modulo and divided,
yeah,
right?
yeah.
All are
Uh-huh.
arithmetic operator.
Yeah, that is arithmetic operator. No?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Those were, you can remember it like mathematics only.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. Now relational operator, it will tell you the relation. Like A is less than B, A is
Mm-hmm.
greater than B. Okay, A is 10, B is 20. So what it is here? A is less than B.
Correct.
Okay. So after performing this relational operator, no,
Mm.
it will return always Boolean.
Boolean. Mm.
See why Boolean? Of course, no. See if it is telling A is greater than B, so you cannot process this one. It is just telling the relation.
Mm.
Either this relation can be true or false.
Mm.
So it will tell you is you are right. Whatever the condition you have written, this relation is true or false.
Mm.
So in this case, what it is true only. So it will return true.
Mm.
If you are writing like this, A is greater than B, so this is false. We can use A less than B. The moment you wrote this one, no less than,
Mm.
Python will understand this is relational operator. So yeah, it has to return true or
Only.
false. See, it is false. True. Then
Mm-hmm.
greater than equals to. It
Mm.
will see both of them. Either one of them should be true. Okay, if I'm writing this 5,
Mm.
so it will consider this as an equals to A equals to B.
True.
True.
Make it as less than.
Even then it will return true only. So it will see it should be less than or it should
Equal
be
to.
equal.
Mm.
It's like any one of them.
Okay.
And then yeah, also it can compare the strings also.
Mm.
For example, see both are equal, right?
Mm.
See, this 4 only will exist in the relational operator. Less than,
Mm.
greater than, less than, greater than equals to, less than equals to. And one more is there, double equals to.
Mm.
It will compare both of them are same or not. This will not come under relational operator. It will come under equality operator.
Which one?
This
That one.
double equals.
Okay.
This thing I will tell you after some time. This is true only because both of them are same.
Mm-hmm.
And
It will not compare greater than, right? Greater than, less
no,
than.
it will compare actually.
But it will give us false.
Yeah, it will give us false.
Okay.
Less than also. Let us say if I'm doing think this will treat as a equal only. Yeah, true.
Why?
Because this is not going with the length. I think it is going with the first letter alphabet. I need to check this one. I'm not sure how it is comparing. Let us simplify this.
If you want to equal double equality, double equals,
What? Less than equals. Double equals to I will tell you later when
later.
we are dealing with equality operator.
No, now only equal for to compare the string also single equals, right? Single equal symbol.
No, no, single equal you cannot give. Single is mean you are assigning. You are telling B will be
Oh,
assigned to A. That is assignment operator.
okay. If we want to check it is equal to, we have to give this less than or equal symbol only.
Yeah, yeah, this one only.
Oh, okay, okay.
So it will consider as less than, or if it is not less than, then it will consider equal also.
Okay, when we need a condition only equals to what we should give.
Yeah, that time only double equals to you will use.
Oh,
Like
okay.
this is like comparing.
Mm-hmm.
Double equals to means to compare. That's what you want. No? This comes under equality operator. I will come to
Correct.
that. Let's experiment with this one.
Mm.
This is two. If I'm doing
Make it
if
as XYZ.
wait. See, second one you are increasing the size. Still it is telling
True, true.
true only. So I think
Plus less
yeah.
than maybe it is A is less than B. Yeah, that's good.
Comparing first letter. Let us say last one I increase length, but first letter no I will make it B.
Mm,
So first one who is bigger? This one no first string A.
mm, mm, mm.
So this one A is greater, but here it is less than. So it will give false. See, it will
Wait,
compare
one
the
second.
first
One
letter.
second.
It will not go with the length.
Mm.
Letter wise letter it will compare.
Let us give A B C D. Start A is equal to A B C D.
अभी नहीं ले आऊंगा
बस आप खाने हैं। ठीक है सब
हाँ.
लोग एक तरह की
Yeah,
Hello.
Lalit.
Yeah, tell me what you want to.
My thing is make first one as A B C D. One second, one second, one second. Make A B C D E F G H, something like that. Another 2 3 characters.
See, I will tell you theory.
Yeah.
Then you can do experiment. See, right?
Mm,
For simplicity, we remove this equal operator.
mm,
See what it will do. No? First, it will compare one to one.
mm,
If it is equal, then it will go to second one.
mm,
If it is equal, it will go to third one.
mm,
If it is equal, it will go to the fourth one. This is
mm,
D,
mm.
and here is nothing is there. So this will become bigger here. It will give you false here.
1 second.
Because it
A.
was equal, then it will jump to the second one. Otherwise, it won't jump. For example, this one I will make B.
Mm,
So with the first letter only, it will decide B
mm.
is greater than A.
Okay, give that, give that.
It will give you true here. See,
Oh,
it will decide on the first letter. If it is not deciding, then it will go to the second one.
oh, okay, okay.
So it is not depending on length directly. Indirectly, it is depending on length. If the letters are same,
Same,
then it is
okay.
unable to decide.
Okay, okay. I got it.
Unable to
That's what I
decide.
wanted to check with giving by XYZ.
So if it is equal,
Mm,
then how it should treat? It is
mm,
equal. It is equal. It is equal.
mm,
Then it will jump here.
mm.
But till three elements, it is equal only, no?
Correct. No, correct. No, it is giving us false. True.
Both of them are there, no? So,
Second row. It will give true now.
yeah, it is giving true. But if I give here one more letter,
It will give false.
it will give false. Yeah. So it will check the letters directly. If it is unable to decide, then it will go with the keep on increasing the length. So let's simplify this. This is B. This is A. Now tell me what it will say.
A
True, right?
less than B. Yeah.
True.
Correct. Yeah, take out the equal symbol. Yeah.
Okay. And then okay. Now you tell me. Just take one number here. A equals print greater than true. Let me tell me what it will come.
Once again, brother. Print 10 greater than true. It will give error, I guess. No, what
Oh,
it
yeah.
is comparing Boolean and this one, right? What is that?
Yeah. See, but I told you yesterday, true
Hmm.
will be treated as one internally.
Oh, oh, oh.
It's like this, 10
Hmm,
greater
hmm,
than 1.
hmm.
Okay, now you tell me uh, true plus 1. What it will come?
True plus one,
This is, I think,
maybe
2,
two it will come.
2, 2.
Yeah.
Yeah, correct, 2. So if I'm giving equality operator, no, it will compare. Equality
Hmm,
will study just now. It is comparing. This left side is equal to right
hmm,
side.
hmm, hmm,
And
hmm,
this will also return true or false.
hmm.
So tell me what it will give.
It will give true.
True, correct. And I'm doing true greater than true. Now tell me.
True greater than true. False.
It is same like saying one greater than one.
Hmm.
False, correct. I'm saying like this.
True greater than false. True.
Yeah, thinking just like this.
1, 0.
See, when in the operators, this relational operator greater than or less than,
Hmm.
it is returning true or false.
Correct.
So it should be any condition, right?
Hmm.
So condition, if you are not able to check the condition properly, let us say 10 is greater than 20. So you
Hmm.
can see this one, right? If I'm telling you 10 is greater than Lalit, yes, then string. So it cannot interpret, right?
Correct.
It will give error. So what you have to keep in your mind, this relational operator, like it will take what? It won't take string. Because string you cannot compare, no, for less than or greater than.
We can't compare the string with any other
Yeah, I
data
mean
type like that.
string. Yeah, integer to integer you can compare,
String to
or
string we can
string to
compare.
string. String to integer you cannot do.
Yeah.
That is the correct conclusion. So relational, right? Relational operator, argument either integer or string or what? It should be same, right? Boolean.
Boolean to integer also it will do, right, because it will take internally Boolean as
Yeah,
one.
correct. So yeah, relational is done. And if one more example I will tell you,
Yeah.
and then equality operator will study evening. Okay.
Yeah.
For relational, only one example I will tell you. For example, uh, 10 less than 20. It is true, right? 10 less than 20 less than 30. This is also true. Okay. 10 less than 20 less than 30 less than 40. This is also true, right?
Then yeah.
Now tell me 10 less than 20 less than 30 less than 40. It is greater than 50.
Become false.
Yeah, it will come false, huh? But till here it is true, no?
True, correct.
Now tell me what it will come.
No, it will come false. It will take the whole statement as one and it
Yeah, correct. Everything, it's not about how much it is true.
will.
If one is false, it will give false only. Whole statement should be true, then it will return true.
Yeah.
So it is true, but even if one is false, it will return false. Okay. This detail is not required, but it's okay. If you will study in detail, no, then basics automatically you will recall. No need to do
Yeah.
division and all.
Yeah.
Okay, so we'll close it now.
Yeah.
And evening I will teach you this. I will try to finish this one actually after that.
Yeah. Evening the same time is fine, right? Around 9:30, 10.
Yeah. 9:30 is fine.
Yeah.
Evening we'll finish this operator. And tomorrow we'll start this input output statement.
Okay.
Tomorrow also like daytime evening we'll finish this one also. Okay. Okay then, good night.
Yeah. Bye. Thank you.